At Admac Oncology, we're committed to transforming cancer care. With state-of-the-art research and cutting-edge automation, we deliver advanced oncology treatments in the form of lyophilized injections, liquid injections, tablets, and capsules. Our facilities are designed to seamlessly integrate innovation, efficiency, and the highest standards of safety. Certified by WHO GMP and European standards, delivering across Asia, Europe, Africa, and Latin America. Our clients include top multinational corporations, hospitals, and healthcare providers who trust us to deliver life-saving oncology treatments. With an annual capacity of 50 million capsules, 50 million tablets, 1.8 million liquid injectables, and 0.85 million lyophilized injectables, we are prepared to meet global demands. From rigorous quality checks to seamless production, our commitment to excellence ensures the best outcomes for patients. With a commitment to innovation and a global footprint, Admac continues to redefine excellence in oncology care. Admac Oncology, pioneering oncology solutions, empowering lives.